This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Kelly Schuler. Beautiful 3-bedroom/2-bath home with gorgeous long-range mountain views. Open floor plan with master bedroom and laundry on the main level. Basement level has a large living/bedroom area with a full bath and a large walk-in closet that would make a great mother-in-law suite or a rental for extra income. Amazing wrap-around deck for entertaining your guest. This home was recently completely renovated. New metal roof in 2021, new Carrier HVAC installed 2022. Brand new outbuilding that could be used as a craft room/man cave. Fiber optic has been installed. Gorgeous and very well maintained home. Move-in ready, and best of all, there are no covenants and restrictions. Very close to Lake Chatuge. Call me today. For more